wants to change, but she doesn't know how.
How are we supposed to change?
According to a Gallup survey, 61% of people want to change jobs but don't. Also, 70% of people want to improve their lives but lack willpower, according to a research from American Psychological Association. 92% of people don't achieve their New Year's resolutions, according to a study by University of Scranton. These statistics indicate how challenging it can be to implement lasting change. Quite strange. Change is the only constant in this world, yet the hardest change to make is often within our own selves. But why is it so? Let's dig deeper. When we are born, we experience rapid and automatic change. Our bodies grow and so do our minds. As children, we are open to trying new things and having different experiences, constantly testing and exploring the world around us. Everything progresses smoothly as we learn and grow, going from school to college to landing our first job, gradually becoming proficient in what we are supposed to do to function well in this society. But then something changes. Our brain's survival mode kicks in and we begin sticking to familiar routines that have worked before. Why? Because in familiar territories, we feel safe from any risk or potential harm. This is our brain's primary job, to keep us safe and protected. However, there is a downside to living in our comfort zone, that we stop growing. Life becomes dull and stagnant. You see, it's those challenging tasks we naturally want to avoid that can have the most significant impact on our happiness and fulfillment in our life. It's easy to lounge on the couch, eat unhealthy food, and waste hours watching TV. These activities require little effort but offer instant gratification. Yet, when we gain weight, fall into financial debt, or fail to pursue our dreams, we feel miserable. Our survival brain is wired for immediate rewards, making change extremely difficult to us more than the reality. To us, it feels as if there are two conflicting voices within us that we need to constantly battle to do something big or go for our desired dreams. And when there is a doubt, we are hardwired to follow the path of least resistance. That is, keep on laying and binge watching TV or mobile and do nothing else. So what's the solution? Here is the step-by-step guide for beginners on how to change your life. Step 1. Get clear on what you want to change and why. It's not enough to vaguely say, I want to change my life. You need to pinpoint the specific aspects of your life that needs improvement. A great tool for this is the Wheel of Life, which helps you map your current situation and identify areas for growth. I have a separate detailed video on this. Check the link on the screen. Also, ask yourself why you want this change. Without a strong why, your life will likely remain the same due to the survival mechanisms we discussed earlier. Once you identify the broader area of life, gain clarity on where you are right now, point A, and where you want to be, point B. For example, instead of a vague goal like I want to lose weight, set a SMART goal. For example, I currently weigh 78 kg and I want to reduce it to 68 kg in the next 5 months. Moving on to step 2, make an action plan and start implementing it. An action plan provides clarity on how to move from point A to point B. What small steps can you take daily that over time will bring you closer to your goal? Using our weight loss example, if your goal is to lose 10 kg in 5 months, that means 2 kg per month, your plan might include changes in your diet and exercising for at least an hour, 4 times a week. Expect your survival brain to resist with excuses like I don't have time after work or I'll start tomorrow. Push through this resistance and take action anyway. As you implement your plan, you can make adjustments if something is not working as per your plan. Let's move on to some tips for staying consistent. The hardest part after setting the goal is to stay consistent with your plan. Life gets in the way and we often lose motivation. Here are some tips to help you stick to your plan, applicable on any habit goal. For example, to lose weight, to study consistently, to practice a skill or read more, etc. Number 1. Make the new task easy to start. Every habit starts with a cue or a reminder for your brain. For example, keep your gym clothes or shoes where you can see them to remind you to exercise. It also helps to tie a new habit to an existing one. For example, after brushing my teeth in the morning, I will go for a 15-minute run. Or, right before I go to bed, I will read 10 pages of the book, etc. Start small to minimize resistance. For example, journal for only 5 to 10 minutes after dinner. This convinces your brain to start without feeling overwhelmed. Number 2, accountability. It's easy to break promises we make to ourselves. Having an accountability partner or coach can significantly increase your chances of success because they hold you accountable and help you stay on track. Ask a friend or colleague. If you both have common goals, then it's a perfect match to work together and be accountable partners for each other. Number 3, set reward or punishment system. Our brains work on the principle of pain and pleasure, or reward or punishment. Use this to your advantage. Rewards create positive reinforcement, making you more likely to repeat an action. Either make the activity itself enjoyable, like listening to your favorite music while exercising, or reward yourself afterwards. Another example could be simply choosing a more enjoyable or fun way of doing exercise, for example, Zumba or playing your favorite sport. The more you will enjoy the activity, the less resistance your brain will show to start and continue that habit. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and let me know in the comments what tips do you use to change any aspects of your life. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.